How to use student discounts. Are you a teenager looking to save some money while studying? Student discounts can be a fantastic way to stretch your budget. Let's break down how you can use these discounts effectively. First, what exactly are student discounts? These are special price reductions that businesses offer to students. They can apply to a variety of products and services, including clothing, technology, entertainment, food, and transportation. Discounts can range from a small percentage off to exclusive offers. Next, always have your student identification card ready. Most places requiring proof that you are a student. This is usually done by showing a valid student ID card from your school, college, or university. So, keep that ID handy when you go shopping or attend events. For online shopping, many retailers partner with student discount platforms. Services like Unidays and Student Beans allow you to sign up using your student email address. This email often ends in .edu or something similar. Once verified, you can receive discount codes to use at checkout on various websites. Do not hesitate to ask about discounts wherever you shop. Even if a store or restaurant does not advertise student discounts, it is worth asking. Many local and national businesses provide discounts that may not be widely promoted but are available upon request. You can also combine discounts when possible. Some stores allow you to stack student discounts with other promotions or sales. This can increase your savings, so always check the terms and ask if you can combine offers. Take advantage of popular student discount offers. Many well-known brands provide discounts. For instance, clothing stores like Banana Republic and PacSun often offer 10 to 15% off. Additionally, Amazon Prime provides students with a free 6-month trial of their Prime membership, which includes benefits like free shipping and streaming services. Consider special student discount cards as well. In some areas, you can buy a student discount card, such as the Student Advantage card in the United States. This card offers savings on travel, entertainment, and retail purchases. These cards usually requiring a yearly fee but can save you money if you use them often. Using student discounts can help you manage your budget better. Saving money on everyday expenses like textbooks, clothing, and food allows you to allocate funds for other important needs or future goals. To sum up, to use student discounts effectively, always carry your student ID, sign up for online student discount services, ask about discounts wherever you shop, and take advantage of major brand offers and special discount cards. These steps can help you stretch your budget and make your student life more affordable.